Today at Walmart, it's Battle of the Loungewear with Sofia Vergara, Free Assembly, Scoop, and Time and True. So follow me. Alright, so just trying on a bunch of two-piece sets, just comparing them all. This is a Sofia Vergara two-piece set. It has the pants on the other side. I'll show you those in a minute. But I'm trying it on in a 3XL for the top because that's all that they had left. And green. They also have this in black, which is super dope. Y'all, this fabric is linen feeling. These wrinkles are not ironable. It looks like it's part of the design. It's just some pleats at the bottom. It's pretty decent. It has elastic arms that I thought was pretty dope too. And this is also the elastic. It's also at the ankles too on the pants. Alright, so the pants just have an elastic band. They're really comfortable, but to me, they're more so like going to the grocery store or something. They do have pockets, and they also have cargo pockets as well. And again, it has elastic at the ankle as well. The fabric is pretty thin. I tried the pants on in a double XL because that's all they had. Well, they had actually every size the green. So I just tried it on in double XL, which fit just fine. The top was fine at a 3X. It wasn't oversized or anything, so that makes me kind of question the fit. Okay, so this outfit is very cute. This is the Sofia Vergara two-piece set. It is very comfortable. It's just the material is not as soft. It's like a linen material. So it's a pretty dope outfit. Don't get me wrong. And it looks great. Now, I love the army green color. It's just that it doesn't seem like something you want to lounge around the house in. This is actually something you want to go somewhere in. I mean, maybe lunch with your friends, or maybe you're going to the mall, or maybe you're going to check the latest movie that just came out. It's no telling what you could do in this outfit. It's just not loungewear type of material. Like the fabric is not giving loungewear. So this one I ranked at a number 4 in this haul that I'm doing. It's only 4 different outfits that I'm doing, 4 different two-piece sets. I'm gonna rank this as number 4, but not near in the style. Y'all, it's super chic. Don't get me wrong, like it looks great. It looks really cute, front and back. I love how it looks, side to side. I love how it looks. So I'm gonna give it a number 1 in style, but it is gonna be a number 4 in actual, like the overall look. It's just basically not given, but I could see this with a brown bag. I would even wear this with some brown ankle boots that have the big block heel because it's so baggy. I think this will be dope going somewhere in, like somewhere to sit down and eat, somewhere to watch a movie. This would be a dope little fit to wear. And you know, your girl Sofia comes through every single time with her style. It is definitely always giving a look, okay? It's definitely always giving a look. And I mean, styling this with brown would be amazing. My, y'all. I'm gonna have to say ding, 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 ding. Listen, Scoop is giving the winner for this two-piece set that I tried on. Like, it looks like it's just maybe super basic, but y'all, it don't even matter. The comfort of this, the way it feels, the oversizedness of it, yet still fitted right. It's just, the tailoring of it is just everything. Listen, I'm waiting for this to go on sale, y'all, because y'all know your girl don't like spending no money on clothes unless it's completely designer. This sweater is $19, and then the pants is giving $20. So, child, well, I'm not spending $40 on a sweatsuit, okay? However, it is of Scoop nature. It is definitely giving. Yeah, this is the Scoop brand at Walmart, y'all. Don't get it twisted. You're gonna spend a coin with Scoop. They got it in black, and they got it in this, I don't know what color that is. They even got it in pink, but they don't. It doesn't look like this is in place, but it is still part of the scuba pocket pant. And that's the thing that I meant to tell you. The pockets, it's pocketing. Like, the pockets They just feel so, this whole outfit feels cool, yet I feel like it's gonna keep me warm, y'all. I work at a call center, and they got the AC on polar bear in there. I'm telling you, they make you want to just bundle up and go ahead and go to sleep and try to stay warm and still expect you to work. So this is perfect for sitting at my desk all day at work. This is just the most comfortablest, if that's a word, outfit. This one won. This one won the battle of the loungewear sets, okay, y'all? And I know it don't look as good as Free Assembly, because Free Assembly got the hoodie, and no, it don't matter. We about to get into, you know, like the details of it. I mean, it's basic. It's a basic, almost crop top sweatshirt, but y'all, it don't even matter. It's that type of print that seems like if you stretch it out too far, it's gonna turn white. It feels like that. But y'all, when I say it feels so soft and so cuddly on, I want it in every color. And I am not a buy the same outfit every color type of person. But this one is it would win that for me. It would actually make me put all my rules to the side for this one. And look, they got a pullover too in white. Now, I don't know if I would want to get that one, but yeah, I wouldn't want no white sweatpants, but I would definitely wear that with black. Or, you know, gray even. Yes, I'm loving this. Scoop one. I'm sorry, scoop one. Yeah, I'm going to be in this one for a little minute now. The way this feels, I didn't want to take it off. Like, it feels amazing. It don't look bad either. I like how it looks. I mean, it still gives a really high rank in the style department too. It is chic. It's super chic. I can see myself wearing this with some, not even wedges, but some tennis shoe wedges would be dope with this, because it'll get me off the ground a little bit more, because you see that the bottom of this is hitting. It's hitting the floor. It's hitting the floor because this is just oversized baggy. So like, even some Crocs, you know, some Crocs with the fur in them, because y'all know it's cold outside right now. It would feel amazing to have on some Crocs that have the fur in it, you know, and have your socks on. So and maybe the platform Crocs, so you up off the ground, so this outfit won't be swiping the ground. This outfit is just everything, guys. It's just everything. It feels amazing. Like I said, I did not want to take it off. This is something that I would like to get in every color. Now, that brown color that I wasn't really for sure, it's giving desert. Like, that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a desert color. And I know that I've seen desert in the crayon box before, so we're gonna go with that. But I didn't find the pink ones, but guys, like I said, I want this in every color, and I'll take it in white. Why not? You know, I will wear it once a week, so that nobody really pays attention. Girl, everybody gonna pay attention that, listen, you wear the same thing every week. It's a different color though, so I don't want to hear it, y'all. This outfit is so comfortable. Who cares? The only thing that I would add to it, because it has pockets, the only thing I would add to it is the thumb holes. Like, make the sleeves a little bit tighter at the bottom near the hands, or you know, yeah, near the wrist, and put that thumb hole with it, and we got action. We already got action, but that makes it even better. All right, so Free Assembly, I'm gonna give it number 3 in my list, because it's stiff. It feels very stiff. For this to be a 2XL, it kind of fits snug. It's not stretchy at all. It's that thick material. It's almost like just go ahead and buy you a $5 Hanes sweatshirt, you know. And then the sweatpants was high waters. So I like this detail. That is very cute. I need y'all to come down in the length on the pants. Don't jip us a quarter inch or quarter foot, you know, because we need that. We need those ankles covered too, you know. We sitting at home, we chilling, we still want to look stylish. We might want to go to the grocery store real quick, you know. So don't do us like that. I'm joking. It's cool though. It's just a little hot watery for me, like I said. And so that would make this like number 3. The reason why Sofia Vergara gets the number 4, because it is not the correct material for what I need. It's not loungewear to me. It's literally go somewhere outfit. So that one was a no for me. But yeah, this one got number 3, and it would have the end if you know, Sofia wasn't in there. All right, y'all. So I mean, this outfit, it looks okay, but you see that it's hot waters, right? Y'all, that is stressing me out. Like, why? I mean, the outfit's dope. The hardware matches on both the pants and the shirt. It's just stiff. It's stiff as far as fit. Yeah, it might as well have been like a denim outfit, but just longer pants. That would have been dope, by the way. Free Assembly, if you're listening, like, you might want to do a denim outfit like this. This would be, make the jacket zip up though, but this will be dope. But yeah, it even looks like, I don't know, it looks cute. You know, it even looks like it's slimming me down a little bit. However, just the hot waters is, I'm not gonna be able to get jiggy with that, period. Like, now the other color that they had was a like bright pink, almost red. I don't know the color. I was a little bit confused with the color, but it was dope too. I could imagine it's gonna be hot waters as well, but, and I mean, maybe these are hot waters. I'm sorry, I'm not about to change my mind. This dope outfit would be super dope if it was longer. I'll deal with the stiffness. I'm not gonna lounge around in the house in it. I'm actually gonna go to the grocery store with this. But yeah, it just could be longer, and it could be a little bit, I don't know, like softer material, and then we good. Like, this really does feel like, y'all remember the old school Hanes. All right, so this was time and true, and y'all, the feel of it, I would say it's in competition with school, right? However, the rib detail makes it very chic. It has short sleeves though, so it lost right there, and it has no pockets, so it lost right there. But as far as the softness and the comfortability, oh my goodness. I mean, it would win if I'm gonna give it number 2. I'm gonna give it number 2 because it would definitely win. But yeah, the price of it is like $27, $28, so $27.98. I tried it on in a 2XL, and I wouldn't pay $28 for that. It's a no for me. But it looks cute. I like how it looks. You see the split on the sides? I thought that was dope too. But again, I'm feeling for pockets. I could already, yeah, but it stretches out an awful lot, y'all. It's extremely comfortable. It's very soft. It just has no pockets. And then why not have long sleeves? I mean, it's cold outside. It's winter time. We're going into spring. It's cold. This would have been a perfect opportunity to go ahead and have long sleeves, you know. But I mean, ultimately, this one gets a number 2 because it is actually very soft. It is very chic. It is very comfortable. However, it's missing a lot of elements that I think that, you know, was a missed opportunity. It could have definitely had a pocket, you know, and it should have definitely had long sleeves. I can't even think of wearing this even in the summer because, I mean, unless I'm just outside all day, but in buildings in Florida, it's freezing. It's cold as ice in every building. And yeah, this isn't going to work for those. I'm going to have to put on a jacket, which constricts you again because I like the form-fitting jackets. So yeah, it's just, if this was long sleeves, we would have action. This could even be a romper. You know, it could have been just a romper, long sleeve romper with a drawstring in the middle, with the gold hardware at the bottom of the drawstrings, and that would have been dope too. But it is a 2-piece set for $27.98. I probably would not pay that for this. I'm thinking more so like $16 is a good price for this outfit. But guys, that was it. I really appreciate you watching. Go ahead and like the video and comment below which outfit you like the best. Is your number 1 my number 1? All right, bye-bye.